cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I've got another amazing delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna show you on how I make my potato salad. I know you guys is gonna enjoy it so much. I love potato salad and I love when it's creamy. Yes. So guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I thank you all so much in advance, and stay tuned for the video. So guys, first I'm gonna show you my potato. As you can see, I already peeled some of my potato. I have at least 8 to 9 potato right here in my glass bowl. I also have some scallion, at least 1 stalk of scallion that I chop. Also have 1 teaspoon of my garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of my paprika, my smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of my black pepper. Okay. And mayonnaise, this is at least over 1 cup of mayonnaise. Some mixed vegetable, because I like my potato salad to be nice and pretty, so that's the reason why I'm adding mixed vegetable, and it also give it a nice taste. Some heavy cream, at least half cup of my heavy cream, and eggs. I have at least 5 eggs. Okay. I just peel this one. Then I'm gonna cook it. I love potato salad, guys. Tell me, comment below and tell me, what do you like to put in your potato salad? Do you like to use mixed vegetable mayonnaise? Mayonnaise is a must because mayonnaise make it nice and creamy, and the heavy cream as well. The heavy cream make it so creamy. I love using heavy cream. Done. So now guys, I'm gonna cut up my potato. You don't want to cut it too big, and you don't want to cut it too small either. But you know, whatever size you prefer. I don't like it too big. I'll set around this size.
Coming at the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want.
So guys, my potato is all cut, as you can see. What you can do, you can just, you know, give it a little wash to remove any starch. Perfect. So now guys, I'm gonna cook my potato. So I'm just gonna add them to my pot right here.
Across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen. Jody Cooking.
Some water from my kettle. Make sure that the water is covering the potato. Just like so. I'm gonna also add some salt. at least 1 teaspoon of my salt. And I'm gonna add my eggs. Because I don't want to cook my eggs separate, might as well just, you know, boil them with the potato. So I rinse off my egg and give them a wash. Just gonna take your time and just put it down. So guys, make sure that your potato, you don't cook out your potato too much. You don't want him to be super soft. You want him to be, you know, soft but also firm. I'm gonna cook my potato for at least maybe just over 15 to 20 minutes, but let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put my stove on a medium to high heat. Now I've covered my pot so it doesn't boil over. So now I'm gonna check back on my potato. It's been cooking, guys, for at least 20 minutes. Okay, let's see how soft it is. Just take a fork, just want to poke it. See that? It go right through. Yeah, that's perfect, guys. You don't want him to cook no softer than that. Okay, so I'm just gonna drain off all the water. So guys, I'm just gonna quickly saute my mixed vegetable. So to my pan I add at least 2 teaspoons of my olive oil. So now I'm gonna add my mixed vegetable. Just like so. Gonna add just a pinch of my salt, my black pepper, at least half teaspoon of black pepper. You don't need a lot. I'm gonna saute it for at least 3 minutes. I'm gonna turn my stove up. That's finished. Just gonna put it to the side. So guys, I removed the shell from my egg. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my fork and just, you know, simple break it up.
Coming at the kitchen, Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm, and me like how she a gwan. Me say you want fit.
Gonna add just a pinch of salt to my egg. That's it.
And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey, Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes.
Then I'm gonna firstly add my heavy cream. So what I'm doing, guys, I'm making my dressing. I'm gonna add my mayonnaise. Seasoning. Just gonna mix and combine. My dressing is all finished. Everything is all combined. Look at that. So nice and so creamy. Perfect. So guys, as you can see, I have my potato here that is already cool. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my mixed vegetable. Gonna mix till combine. Now guys, I'm gonna add my dressing. Look at that, so nice and so creamy. Now I'm gonna mix till combine. Guys, this looks super delicious. Your family, everyone is gonna enjoy it when they have this for their dinner. I'm just gonna add just a bit of my paprika. I'm also gonna add my scallion. So this is done, guys, and ready to serve. You can just put it in your fridge. So now, guys, I'm just gonna add my potato salad onto my bowl right here. And as I said, when you finish, you can just put it to your fridge, okay? And just allow it to cool.
Coming at the kitchen, Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm, and me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it, you have to taste it. And when you
Guys, I have some mixed vegetable leaf back, so I'm just gonna, just add a few on top for it to look nice and pretty and for presentation. You don't have to add a lot, just a little bit, yeah, just like so. And just sprinkle just a little bit of smoked paprika, not a lot, just a little bit. And I added just a little bit of my black pepper. So guys, there you have it. This is how I make my homemade potato salad. If you try it, comment below and tell me what it's like. It looks super delicious. It is so creamy. I'm telling you, this recipe right here, it is a must try. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So guys, I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Thank you all so much for all the love and your support. I really, really appreciate it. Bye guys. Love you all.